First question, consider the following number line. Okay, let me copy this to the board. So this is the number line, and the question is, what is the sign of b plus a? So b is much further than the 0, than a. So if we combine this distance with this distance, we will end up above the 0 because b is greater than a. So the sign of b plus a is positive. What is the sign of negative 201 plus 189? Okay, so since 201 is negative and it's greater than 201 is negative and 189 is positive, but this segment here is larger than this segment here because 201 is at a greater distance from the 0 than 189, then if we combine this segment and this segment, we will end up beneath the 0 or to the left of 0. So the answer is negative. What is the sign of 123 and 1 over 23 plus negative 123 and 1 over 23? So the sum is 0 because we combine two opposite numbers which are at the same distance, exactly the same distance from the 0. One is to the left of the 0, 123 and 1 over 23, and one is at the same distance from the 0 to the right, 123 and 1 over 23. So if we combine them, this segment, we will end up here exactly at the 0. So C is the correct answer. What is the sign of negative 49.8 plus 61.2? Okay, so again, since the negative number is closer to the 0, 49.9.8, the distance here is shorter than the distance to 61.2. So if we combine this section and this section, we will end up to the right of the 0. So the number we will get is positive. Consider the following number line. So we see that b is closer to 0 than a. A is negative and b is positive. If we combine b and a, we will end up beneath the 0, so the sign will be negative. Consider the following number line. So here a and b are at the same distance from the 0. A is positive 8 and b is negative 8. They are both right This is -5, -6, -7, -8, and this is 5, 6, 7, 8. So A is +8, B is -8. They are at the same distance from the 0, so if you combine them together, B plus A, we will end up at exactly 0. So neither positive nor negative sum is 0. Okay, so here we combine two positive numbers, so obviously we are getting away from the 0. So if the 0 is here and this is, let's say 46, and we add another 112.3, we get further to the right from the 0, so we will end up with a positive number. Good. Okay. Thank you for watching. In the next video I will do this practice, adding negative numbers. I'll see you in the next video.